Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, probably not. It's hilarious. Here we are in what they call in Italy a gastronomia. Gastronomia is a cafe-like place in the United States, if you're American, where they just supply the most wonderful home cooking. And they do it at a very good value. Not expensive at all. And you just basically walk up to the counter, tell them what you want, and they serve you at a table. And it's kind of like Italian fast food almost, but it's way healthier than McDonald's. And the reason why we love these places so much is because, you know, if Pam can't cook, I certainly can't cook. Or my mother doesn't feel like it, we can always just run out and have a superb little meal and a dessert. These are the desserts here. Sorry, let me just get out of the reflection. And have a really home-cooked, filling meal.
Grazie.
Mom, I'm gonna need scissors for this. I hope my chicken's in here. Mom, I'm gonna need. Oh! Wait, it's from Amazon. My chicken, but
Oh my God. How many do you have?
no.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Hello, my little chicken. Mom, look at this one.
I know. It's so cute.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god, I got my. No! Face clamp, I love it. Oh my goodness.
You're welcome.
Face clamp. Oh my god. Look at me.
Grandpa's favorite store.
Oh my god. I knew that was Grandpa's favorite store.
Wow.
Face lock. Oh my.
And Micah, look, it lights up like your rocket. So we
Face lock.
can light it up in your bedroom.
Oh, I know what to do with it. If I need to shoot you on this and staple this again.
Whose is it?
Mama and Papa's.
Okay.
And thanks for my present.
What will you say?
Thanks, Ma. Thanks, Pa. Dad, my binoculars.
Oh, yeah.
See, I told ya.
They're very cool.
Pull the ribbon.
Wait, no. Oh. Oh, really? Mom, there's only two. Wait, two.
Here. Pull this one. And the other one. Yes.
Oh, thank you.
That's easy.
Let's see what I got. Oh my god. Let's see. Mom, thanks for my new glass.
Okay, open it.
Wait. Hello. Oh my god. Mom, thanks for my chicken glass. Oh my god. Thanks for my
Now,
chicken
every time you
glass.
drink, you will see a chicken inside.
Every time he drinks, there's a chicken inside here. How cute.
You like
It's
it,
so cute.
Micah?
Yeah, I love it. Thanks for this new glass.
Last three.
Yes. God.
Those two are from
Me.
Daddy.
Oh!
Three.
Yeah, those 3 are from Daddy.
Thanks, Dad. Oh!
Try that one first.
They're so heavy. Mom, can you give me a glass of
I'm gonna
juice?
put this back in here.
Juice here.
That's so cute.
Oh, this is very easy. I got another hand.
Original.
Dad, I got another hand. Thanks, Dad. Oh, God.
What is it, Mike?
It's a game to help with logic.
Oh, nice.
Glocky Basic.
That's one. So I forgot what this is.
Oh, God, I forgot. What the heck?
So your mom doesn't get upset.
Thanks for this, Dad.
Do you like it?
Wait, don't do it like that. Watch.
Thanks, Dad. I love it.
Cool.
You love it?
What is that?
It's
It's a tram.
it's Micah's tram. Show Grandma.
Go show Grandma.
We have it.
I got the Connect. Yes! Thanks, Dad.
Oh, you know what this is?
Is it what you like?
Yeah, this is us, Bruno.
That's Richard the Lion, right?
I knew it. Thanks, Dad. Oh, my.
But Richard was barely in England. That's when England was
Oh,
transformed.
nice.
Yes.
That's it, yeah. There's mostly about Crusades all the time.
Ha!
He was the one that went out on the crusade, right?
What will you say to Dad?
Barely in England.
Thanks, Dad.
It was
What is
barely
that,
in England.
Micah?
Show Grandma.
Oh, really? Oh.
Oh, my goodness.
Why if you, Micah? Oh, from Kakanong and Ningan.
What is it?
What is it? Oh my God.
It looks like a chicken.
Oh my God.
Okay, hang on. Let's.
Thank you for my newest chicken. I love them.
What is it? Oh my gosh! You got another chicken. Ciao, tutti. I just came from my language class. It's 12:30. It's obviously lunchtime, so we're gonna grab something from our neighborhood deli, Gastronomia, for a quick lunch. Cos'è questo verde cosa? Questo? Frittatine.
Con spinaci, zucchine e cotè al forno.
Ok. Allora, scusi, un porzione di spaghetti con ragù,
Sì.
anche questo
Devo scaldare?
gnocchi. Sì, per favore.
Certo.
Questo è pollo?
Quello sia gli involtini, sia i petti di pollo, sia il pollo arrosto.
Cosa mi dice lui? Va bene così.
Anche gli spiedini, signora?
1, 2.
Uno. Since we got the house, I barely have time to prepare our lunch. Grazie. Prepare our lunch because, as you can see, I have school, Sean's working, and I don't have enough time to prepare food, cook. So this week has been a very slow progress for us. We started working in Micah's bedroom. We started tearing off all the wallpapers, but we're not even halfway through because every day Sean and I have work to do and we only have like a couple of hours to spare, and obviously it's just the two of us. We couldn't do everything all by ourselves. Last Monday the builders came and said they're gonna get back to us the next day to give us all the list and the things that they might be needing, expenses, all that kind of stuff. But now it's Saturday and we still haven't heard from them. So this is what I mean when, you know, I said before in my previous vlog that it's the waiting and lots of waiting involved. To be very patient and ready to accept that it's not gonna be according to your plan. It rained super hard this morning, but it's nice to see the sun out finally. And I'm just out here in the garden looking for some beautiful random flowers or plants, shrubs, weeds, whatever you call that, wild things that's randomly growing out of nowhere. This one, I think it's crocus or daffodils. It looks like we also have a nice bed of clover leaves growing here. What a beautiful sound. It's the sound of spring.